Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming prerequisites. Ensure the latest full image and incremental backups exist, and that you have an offline copy. Then create boot media with a matching recovery ISO for the system architecture. This lets you bypass a damaged OS. Next, make sure you have admin credentials and recovery keys. Without them, you stall. Once done, plug the USB into the target machine and boot into the recovery environment so you can begin the rebuild. You now mount the backup image and immediately validate checksums to avoid propagating corruption. Once integrity is confirmed, apply the full system image first. This restores file trees and configurations, then sequentially apply each incremental patch to bring state up to the last good point. After files are placed, reinstall or repair the bootloader so the system can start. Confirm partition table and UUID mappings match the original layout. If any step fails, you perform the final steps by booting the restored system into normal mode and running integrity scans plus driver updates. This reduces post-restore instability. Next, verify critical services. Network authentication, scheduled jobs are operational, and confirm connectivity and user access. Once stable, apply any pending security patches and take a fresh backup. If booting fails, use safe mode to inspect logs and disable problematic drivers. Alternatively, revert to an earlier alternate image to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.